Have you ever felt lost trying to buy something in English during a trip? That feeling of not knowing how to ask the price, request discounts, or simply find what you need? That ends today. In this video, you will learn everything about how to shop in English during your travels. And know what is better? You will practice listening and shadowing with me, repeating essential phrases that will give you total confidence when buying anything. Ready? So relax, grab your headphones, and let's start this journey together. Remember, here at Slow English, Fast Learning, we go slow so you go far. Let's begin. Before diving into the essential phrases, let's see a very complete practical example. Mike is in a clothing store in New York and needs to buy some pieces. Pay attention to his conversation with the store attendant. Listen calmly and try to absorb each word. Let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Fashion Avenue. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'm looking for a winter jacket, something warm but not too heavy.
Perfect. We have a great selection of winter jackets. What's your size?
I usually wear medium, but sometimes large. It depends on the brand.
No problem. I recommend you try both sizes. What color are you interested in?
I prefer dark colors. Do you have black or navy blue?
Yes, we have both. Let me show you our best-selling jackets. Follow me, please.
Thank you.
Here we are. This is our winter collection. This black jacket is very popular. It's waterproof and has a warm lining inside.
Oh, I like this one. What material is it made of?
It's made of polyester on the outside and has fleece lining inside. It's perfect for cold weather.
That sounds good. How much is it?
This one is $120, but we have a promotion this week. All jackets are 25% off.
That's a great deal. So what's the final price?
Let me calculate for you. With the discount, it's $90.
Excellent. Can I try it on before I decide?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there next to the mirrors.
I tried the medium size, but it's a bit tight on the shoulders. Do you have the same jacket in large?
Yes, I do. Let me get it for you. Here you go. This is the large size in black.
I'll take it. But I also need a pair of jeans. Do you sell jeans here?
Yes, we do. Our jeans section is on the second floor. But since you're already here, let me show you something. We have a special offer. If you buy 2 items, you get an additional 10% off the total.
Really? That's interesting. What styles of jeans do you have?
We have slim fit, regular fit, and relaxed fit. What do you prefer?
I prefer regular fit. Do you have them in dark blue?
Yes. What's your waist size?
I'm a 32 waist and 34 length.
Perfect. Let me check our stock. Yes, we have it.
The jeans fit great. I'll take both the jacket and the jeans. So with the extra discount, what's my total?
Let me calculate everything for you. The jacket is $90 and the jeans are $60. That's $150. With the additional 10% off, your total is $135.
Perfect. Can I pay by credit card?
Absolutely. We accept all major credit cards, debit cards, and cash. We also accept mobile payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay.
Great. I'll pay with my credit card. Do you need my ID?
No, that's not necessary. Just insert your card in the machine, please. Thanks. Your payment is approved. Here's your receipt. Would you like a bag for your items?
Yes, please. Also, what's your return policy, just in case?
Of course, you can return or exchange any item within 30 days, as long as you keep the receipt and the tags attached. The items must be unworn and in original condition.
That's good to know. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your new clothes and have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Fantastic, isn't it? You just saw a complete and real shopping conversation in a clothing store. Mike managed to ask about sizes, colors, materials, prices, discounts, return policy, and still finished everything with politeness and confidence. Notice how he used simple phrases, but very effective ones. He didn't need complicated vocabulary to get exactly what he wanted, and that's what you will learn to do too. Now that you saw the complete practical example, let's practice together the most important phrases for you to use in any shopping situation during your travels. Get ready for listening and shadowing. I will speak each phrase slowly and clearly, and then you will repeat with me. Remember, shadowing is imitating, is speaking together, is training your mouth to produce English sounds naturally. Don't be shy. Here is your safe space to practice. The more you repeat, the more natural it will become. Let's go. When you enter a store, it's important to know how to start the conversation with the attendant. These phrases will help you break the ice and show what you are looking for. Listen carefully. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. This phrase is perfect for souvenir shops and stores in general. Now repeat with me. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. Very good. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. Now listen. Can you help me find something? You are asking the attendant for help to find something. It's a polite way to start the conversation. Repeat after me. Can you help me find something? Perfect. You are doing very well. Let's go to one more. I'm just looking around. Thank you. This is important. Sometimes you just want to look around the store without commitment. This phrase is polite and makes clear that you are just exploring. Repeat. I'm just looking around. Thank you. Now a very useful phrase. Do you have this in a different color? You were asking if they have the same product in another color. Very common in clothing stores and accessories. Let's practice. Do you have this in a different color? Wonderful! Your pronunciation is improving with each phrase. Let's go to one of the most important parts, talking about price and payment methods. These phrases are essential in any purchase. Listen. How much is this? The most basic and important question. How much does this cost? You will use this phrase every day on a trip. Repeat with me. How much is this? Excellent. Simple and direct. Now let's learn, is there any discount available? You are asking if there is any discount available. It never hurts to ask, does it? Let's practice. Is there any discount available? Very good. Keep practicing. One more important. Can I pay by credit card? You are asking if you can pay with credit card. Fundamental to avoid surprises at the register. Repeat. Can I pay by credit card? Perfect. You are mastering it. Now listen, do you accept cash? Sometimes you have cash and want to confirm if the store accepts it. This phrase solves that. Let's go. Do you accept cash? Great work. Congratulations. You just practiced several essential phrases for shopping in English during your travels. Notice how each phrase has a clear purpose and can be used in real situations. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. You made it here, and that shows how much you are committed to your learning. Now let's go to a special part. I will present 5 words considered difficult, but that you will use almost every day when shopping. These words will elevate your vocabulary and give you even more confidence. Pay attention to each one. The first word is refund. This word means reimbursement. That is, when you return a product and receive your money back. Let's see a usage example. I would like to request a refund for this item because it doesn't fit. Notice how this word is powerful when you need to solve a problem with a purchase. Keep this one well. The second word is receipt. It means receipt or proof of purchase. Usage example. Can I have a receipt, please? I need it for my records. Always ask for your receipt. It is your guarantee in case you need to exchange or return something. Besides that, it's important for financial control during the trip. The third word is exchange. It means exchanging a product for another, usually of the same value or with price adjustment. See the example. I would like to exchange this shirt for a larger size. Different from refund, when you make an exchange, you're not asking for the money back, but rather exchanging for another product. Very useful when you buy something and realize that the size is not right. Very useful. The fourth word actually is an expression. Fitting room. It's the dressing room, that space where you try clothes before buying. Usage example. Excuse me, where is the fitting room? I would like to try this on. Remember, in some places they also call it dressing room, but fitting room is more common in clothing stores. Both forms are correct. And the fifth word is bargain. This word has 2 important meanings. It can mean haggling, negotiating the price, or it can mean a great offer, something very worth it for the price. See both uses. I tried to bargain with the seller at the market. And also, this jacket is a real bargain. It's high quality and very cheap. This word is especially useful in street markets, fairs, and souvenir shops where negotiation is more common. Fantastic! Now you know 5 powerful words that will make all the difference in your shopping. Practice these words, use them in sentences, and you will see how your vocabulary will expand naturally. It's time to give you an extra tip that few travelers know and that will help you save money and communicate better in stores. The tip is, always ask about tax-free shopping or VAT refund when shopping in European countries, Asia, or other places that offer this benefit for tourists. What is that? Many countries charge a sales tax called VAT, value-added tax, but tourists can receive this value back when leaving the country. This can represent from 10 to 25% discount on your purchases. How does it work? It's simple. When you are paying at the store, ask, "Do you offer tax-free shopping?" or "Can I get a VAT refund form?" If the store participates in the program, they will give you a form. You keep this form together with your receipts, and when at the airport leaving the country, look for the tax refund counter. There you present your documents, your products, sometimes they ask to see them, and you receive the tax reimbursement, either in cash or on your credit card. This tip can save you a lot of money, especially if you're buying electronics, brand clothes, or more expensive souvenirs. Not everyone knows this, but now you know. Remember the phrase, "Do you offer tax-free shopping?" This question can make all the difference in your travel budget. And there you have it. You learned essential phrases for shopping in English, practiced listening and shadowing, learned 5 difficult but very useful words, and still got an extra tip that can save you lots of money. The goal of this video is that you have total comprehension of what was spoken and explained. Therefore, I strongly recommend that you watch this video at least twice. The first time you absorb the content, the second time you practice with even more confidence and naturalness. Remember, here at Slow English Fast Learning, we go slow so you go far. Repetition is the key to fluency. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to not miss any lesson, and leave your like. This helps me a lot to continue bringing quality content for you. And tell me here in the comments, what was the phrase you most enjoyed learning today? Or tell me, in which country would you like to practice these shopping phrases? I love reading your comments and knowing about your journey in English. Thank you very much for being here with me today. I am Charlie, and I'll see you in the next video with more incredible tips for you to master English in a natural and confident way. Have a great day and happy shopping! Bye-bye!